my name is Sakari Vanderveer, and today I'm going to teach you how to write a piece using a coin toss. Alright, here's part 3 of our coin toss composition. So just a quick review. In part 1, we flipped heads or tails to pick different rhythms. In part 2, we repeated this rhythm and made an ostinato. And we're doing that all in the same note, okay? And then we also explored different notes to find what went with our ostinato. So I have a G and I just decided to start on a B. Okay, it's up to you what you pick. And we flipped heads or tails to go up or down a letter or a note. So we did B up to C, back down to B, and down again to A, okay? So if you need to go back and review the last 2 videos if you missed that. Alright, so for this one, this part is more of an improvisation. An improvisation is when you make up stuff on the spot, okay? It's composing in real time without, planning, a bunch of it ahead of time. So there are a few things I want to encourage you to do. 1, just remember that there are no wrong notes, okay? It's up to you to figure out what you like and experiment, okay? And also, don't be afraid to repeat ideas while you are figuring out something new. In fact, a lot of our music repeats, and it actually sounds nice to other people listening to it. Okay. Also, just a quick reminder, if you need to, use your smartphone or a tablet or something where you can record the ostinato, especially if you play an instrument that can only play, or that usually plays one note at a time, like violin or flute or trumpet. Okay? You could just take this part and play it over and over again in your phone or other device, and that way you'll be free to play something else on top of that. Okay? That is if you don't have a piano or if you have trouble playing both at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the little melody, if you will, that we came up with in our last video. And I'm going to repeat that a couple of times, and then I'm just going to freely move on to some other notes and see what I like. And it doesn't have to be one note each time over the ostinato. You can start picking other rhythms. Feel free to experiment, okay? Like I said, I'm going to count to 4 for now to keep it simple. It doesn't matter how many beats are in each box. Normally you wouldn't do that, but we will for this activity, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere different. our coin toss composition and improvisation. So I encourage you to keep having fun with this and play around and see what other rhythms and melodies you can come up with. Okay, feel free to add other rhythms if you like. You could do the same coin toss with maybe, quarter notes and eighth notes. Well, that's it on our coin toss composition lesson. So just a reminder, there's no wrong notes. It's up to you. If you want to change something even after you've done the coin toss, feel free to put that in, okay? So I encourage you to keep playing with your music and have fun. I also encourage you to share it with a friend or a family member. Alright, so I advise you to stay tuned for our next videos and have fun composing. See you later.